What is going on? Crypto Doge back with another video, just telling you guys why I think cryptocurrency will continue to rise in 2018 and beyond that, 2019, 2020 and past that, and why I think it's just pretty much going to exponentially increase. As you guys might know, probably know, is that the cryptocurrency market has been diving quite significantly over the last week or so, and people are getting pretty worried about this. But I'm telling you guys, do not be very worried about this, and actually this is a great time to buy is what I think. So right now it's at a pretty low, under 650 billion, which is pretty low, but it's still pretty high if we're comparing that to about a month ago or a little bit before that, where it was in the 500 billions, and then it ran all the way up to about 830 billion, and then now it's kind of starting to go down. But this is really just short term, right? But I'm talking about the long term, guys. This is pretty much just my opinion I'm going to be talking about in this video, and I have a few reasons why cryptocurrency I think is definitely going to be going up in 2018. So let's knock out the first reason, which is pretty much the general public seeing Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies in the news. As we have seen lately, if we search up any sort of news website or big news channel on TV, they're actually starting to talk about cryptocurrency and Bitcoin a lot more than they used to last year or before that. And pretty much a lot of people that did not know what cryptocurrency was, they're watching the news and they see Bitcoin come up and they're like, what is this Bitcoin thing? And then they go ask their son or their daughter or whatever, someone that probably will know about this thing, and then they're like, oh, what is this? Can you explain this to me? And then they start to explain it to them, and yeah, and then they're like, oh, maybe I'll invest in cryptocurrency. It sounds pretty cool. And then they start to learn it, and then they tell their friends, and that's pretty much how cryptocurrency is going to rise in the long term. And we've already seen quite a bit of this when cryptocurrency rose quite a bit a few months ago. But I do not think this is over. I think cryptocurrency is only getting started. As you guys can see on the chart here, Bitcoin has been consolidating pretty hard for the last month, over a month now. It's been in this consolidation period where it's just kind of chilling here. But I think Bitcoin's still, I don't think Bitcoin's dead or anything. A lot of people are saying, oh, Bitcoin's dead, Bitcoin's dead. I don't think Bitcoin's dead. But I don't think it's going to be getting these crazy gains as we have seen in the last few months. I think that might not happen again, maybe ever, but that's just my opinion. But I think that Bitcoin is still pretty good, since it is nicely holding this $13,000 range. It's not dipping too much below that, which is pretty good in my eyes, right? And I think we are looking for a little bit more of a run up in Bitcoin over the last week, over the next week or two. I think there's gonna be a nice little run up again, back to 15 or 16K again. But that's not really what we're talking about in this video. We're just talking about cryptocurrency in general, pretty much the total market cap. So let's go into the second point of why cryptocurrency will be going up in 2018 and beyond. So huge Wall Street investors that are mostly investing in stocks and such will see that cryptocurrency, these huge gains, and they're going to start hopping in cryptocurrency. These people with millions and billions of dollars worth of investing power, which is just going to crank up this market cap and make the markets go crazy. And that's going to make these gains be even higher, which is going to make people want to get in even higher. It's kind of like a circle, right? People are investing more, so then the gains are higher. So because the gains are higher, people are investing more. So it's kind of like a circle of just cryptocurrency going up in a way. But yeah, let's get into the third point. So lots of new amazing cryptos are going to be coming out, and already have came out, with amazing technologies, and a lot of them will just come out of the blue. We have seen over the last month or two how some cryptocurrencies such as Tron have went from literally 0 to hero extremely quick. As you guys can see, Tron in December was like not even half a cent, guys, and then it went all the way up to around 24 cents, which is crazy, even higher than that at one point. And now it went all the way down to 7 cents because it ran up really quickly. So it's pretty understandable. But now I'm actually buying at these levels, by the way, so I'm going to be making a video about Tron specifically. But yeah, definitely these levels are pretty good to buy at, in my opinion, but we're not going to be talking about that. But yeah, so Tron is an example. There's a few other examples, such as Rayblox, that has been out for a while but actually had a crazy run up, like just a crazy run up. And it's actually staying pretty stable at $20, which is pretty crazy. So as you guys can see, it was at around 15 cents for pretty much its entire lifetime, for about 6 months, over 6 months, around 8-9 months. And then boom, just a crazy run up all the way up to past $30, and then it's only came down to around 20. So it hasn't even corrected that much considering this huge run up. But those are just a few examples of these crazy technologies. Pretty much Roblox has instant transactions with 0 fees, which is just really cool, and people really like that, especially since the Bitcoin fees and transactions are very slow. So yeah, I think that's a big thing. So also, I think a huge online and retail sellers such as Amazon are going to eventually start accepting cryptocurrencies. I don't know about Bitcoin because of the fees are so high, but maybe something like Ethereum, they're going to start accepting, or maybe Litecoin or something. They're going to start accepting these cryptocurrencies on their platforms, on their in their stores, etc. And that's just going to make people, so let's say you walk in Walmart, okay? Walmart starts accepting Ethereum, let's say. Someone's going to look at the sign, accepting Ethereum, and then they're going to be like, oh, what's Ethereum? They're probably going to ask the cashier or whatever, what's Ethereum? And then they're going to explain Ethereum to them quickly, and then they're like, oh, that's pretty interesting. And then they're going to talk to someone about it, and it's kind of like a circle of just the spreading cryptocurrency. Sorry, I'm kind of tangled up in my words, but it's kind of almost like a circle of word of mouth that's pretty much going to keep cryptocurrency increasing. Yeah, pretty much I just wanted to talk about my views on this and cryptocurrency in this video. That's just what I think and what I believe in. I think cryptocurrency has a bright future. Bitcoin, I'm not sure if it has a bright future or not. It might consolidate here, and some cryptocurrencies are actually going to start passing it. I actually will be making a video about talking about which cryptocurrency will be the first to surpass Bitcoin, which I think will happen eventually. I don't know if it's going to happen in 2018 or not, but I think it will definitely happen before 2020. 100% sure I think will happen before 2020. But let me know what you guys think about this topic. If you guys think cryptocurrency will continue to increase in 2018, I still think cryptocurrency is going to hit 1 trillion market cap in 2018. I'm pretty positive on that, but you can never know with these crazy markets. These crazy increases, crazy decreases. So that's gonna be it for this video. Comment down below which coins you think will be going crazy up in 2018. But I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.